Hey, what's up guys? Striker Fifa here, and I'm gonna be doing some pack openings, you know? So first guys, it's fine, it's just regular normal gold packs, alright? It's not that big of a deal, guys. So now boys, we're gonna be opening I'm gonna buy I wanna buy Team of the Week packs so bad, you know? But you know, screw this. YOLO. It's a walkout. It's a legend! Oh my god! Oh my god! What is a legend? Oh my god! Guys, oh my god! Screenshot that! Screenshot that! Oh my god! Are you kidding me? You're lying! No! 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 I got it! Oh my god! Ronaldo, either one in the same pack. It's a walkout, boys. It's a walkout. It's a walkout. What is it? Come on. Dang it. But it could be Iniesta or someone good like that. Bet. Oh, it is. I forgot his name. No, I gotta remember his name. I'm not looking. I don't know, actually. Oh, it's De Gea. Duh, man. You're stupid. Rare players. Come on, man. Let's get a walkout again. Ooh. Dang it. Still, what is it? Ooh, Falcao, maybe? No, he's not. Oh, Rodriguez. Alright, I'll take it, bro. I will legit take that, bro. It's a walkout, boys. It's a walkout. Come on. No way. No way. Are you lying to me? No. Oh my, I'm done. I'm so done. I just broke my TV. Oh my god. Dude. No. That's two Messis in one pack opening, boys. And a little scout. I'm the best. Oh no, it's Spanish again. Please be De Gea, because he's pretty good actually. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's De Gea. It's actually De Gea, boys. Oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry. Oh my. It's a walkout, boys. It's literally a walkout again. Oh, it's Spanish. Probably not going to be that good. Just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. Spanish is good. Center back. Ramos. It's Ramos. No. Oh my god. Guys. I have the most pack luck in human history. Just screw it. I'm opening another one. I'm not going to get anything good, but whatever. It's a walkout. Yes. Come on, Ronaldo. No, you're lying. No, it's not Ronaldo. It's not Ronaldo. Oh my. It's Pepe. It's freaking Pepe, isn't it, bro? The biggest troll. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's Pepe. It's freaking Pepe, boys. In form as well. Oh my god, guys. Oh, I was about to cry. Okay, guys, I'm opening my last rare players pack, at least. Are you freaking kidding me? It's another walkout, boys. It's literally another walkout. What is it? Portuguese. No. Oh, it's Aguero. It's got three Messis almost. It's Aguero or it's, what's his name? Higuain. Yep, Higuain. Alright, guys. Dude, oh my god. What a pack opening, guys. I'm going to have so many World Cup players, though. It's not even funny. Alright. 81 players pack. I think I have 16. I don't remember what it said. Another walkout. What is it? Watch, it's going to be Pepe. Oh, Hazard, I think. No, Hazard didn't even play, did he? Yeah. Fellaini, I think? No, don't be Fellaini. Don't be Fellaini. I really don't like Fellaini, dude. Oh, okay, De Bruyne. I'll take it. Really, bro. Fellaini freaking really, boys. Oh, my. Packs to go, boys. Watch, it's gonna flip like on the left back. It's gonna be on the feet. It's another walk. Oh my god, stop giving me this thing. Oh, Cam, it's a Cam, guys. Thiago Silva, I don't even know. Not Thiago Silva, that's Silva. Oh my god, really? The troll. What? it's real. It's real. Look, it's literally real. It's real. It's real. It's real. Oh, no. I got Ronaldo.